Guys, welcome back. All right, so I want to quickly unbox my tripod for you guys. You guys know that my other tripod got spoiled. It has gabalu since safe, and they even tie and bandage safe. But last the thing don't say a beg, allow me to rest in peace. So I ordered another one on Sunday, and it arrived today. Today is Tuesday. And it came this morning, and I want to unbox it now. All right, this is already night at the evening. Okay, so because from tomorrow, or in fact, because of this tripod, I've not been vlogging in the house because of the tripod. I really need it because I vlog a lot. All right, so that is basically it. I'm going to be opening it for you, and after unboxing it, I will just make dinner because it's already night. We'll be eating noodles and egg. That is basically it. I don't have strength to cook, so this is how it is. Mama is here with me. Mommy, do you want to say hi? Say hi. Hi. It's all set for you now. So I'm going to open it now. Mobile phone tripod camera. This one is with this is how it is. They said you can put camera, you can use it for camera, then you can use it for phone. So this is how it is. I hope I'll be able to fix it now. Oh, maybe me. So this thing fell off. I have to pick it. Yeah, I'm going to use both tripod. I don't need story. The other one I used, I think that one is even more solid than this. So this is it. Oh my goodness. Let's say this thing no longer. This is how it is. It has a selfie remote. Oh my God, this is not what I want to. I thought the thing is very long. Oh God. That my other one self is more better. This is how this one is. Check, it's too small. Honestly, guys, this one is too small. It's very small. Honestly, it's very small. Jehovah, I don't talk. Oh God. How am I going to put this thing now? Let's wait. Leave this thing, leave her. The other one that got spoiled is more solid. The length of this thing is not what I want. Just imagine. While the other one I have, the length is okay. What kind of thing is this? Do I return it now? I'm going to insert the picture of this thing. When I saw it, I thought it would be height of this thing. Like what is this now? How am I going to return it? And you know, say when you buy something online, it's not. I don't even know what I have done here, sir. Guys, I'll talk to you guys when I have figured this thing out. Guys, this is the difference. So you guys see the difference of this tripod. Eh? This one is the previous one I was using. This one is the black one. And this one is the one I just bought now. Eh? See the difference. The difference is clear. That black one is the one and the height. That is the height I want. Eh? This one is small. Oh my goodness. Like seriously, this thing is just annoying me now. Eh? These people, they will put picture and they will put picture for something. You go think say na so the thing be, no be so the thing be. Oh. Eh? What kind of thing is this one? Even that my previous one self is even more solid. This one aluminium. It's not iron, aluminium. I will be managing it. I cannot return it. I will be managing it like that. At least I will have something to more than my selfie, because it's my selfie. At least this one is more better than my selfie. Share you get. So I will be managing it until we have good money to buy good tripod. But for now, this one will still be serving me. I will still be managing it. Say you get. If I say make I return them, it's not even possible. So I just have to be managing it like this and be handling it like egg. Like this thing is annoying me. Oh God. So guys, that is the unboxing. Honestly, that is the unboxing. Now because of the price though, I went for it, because some shops they sell expensive than this tripod. Now if I go to shop to buy it, it's more expensive than online, or some things online is more cheaper than shop. Am I making sense? Do you guys understand what I'm trying to say? But I will still get tripod. I need tripod. Yeah, I need a very good tripod. But for now, I'll be using this one until I will get a better tripod. So guys, that is the unboxing. I don't even know if I will still be carrying you guys along to make the dinner. But yeah, that is it, guys. I'll talk to you guys on my next video. Bye. Just the best me now.
Close your eyes for a minute, close your eyes for a second. I won't change my mind. What does getting